What's up, guys? Just got Zone Boost and Bao Zhu Zhao Fu with a nice looking grand, 11 bands. Let's see what we can do. $1.76 bet. Let's do something crazy. One more for a 3x, two more for a 4x, one more for a 4x. Got the 4x, got the 3x with a mini times 3. I'm not sure if the jackpot's multiplied by 3, but if it is, 60 bucks right there. That's probably all we're gonna get after that. Oh shit, never mind. That's fucking crazy. One more for a 5x, and those are both $8 each. Come on, baby, save me right here. Just drop it real quick. Okay, let's find out if this is multiplied by 3. Multiply this by 3 right here, and that would be pretty nuts. No, the jackpots aren't. That's lame. $74, not too bad.